Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for eastern Perry County in south-central Illinois, northwestern Williamson County, Illinois, Jackson County, Illinois, western Franklin County in south-central Illinois, until 12:45 a.m. At 11:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Ava, or 11 miles west of Murfreesboro, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Ava and Murfreesboro around 12:05 a.m. Delaware, Soto, and Elkville around 12:15 a.m. New Coin around 12:20 a.m. Royalton and Christopher around 12:25 a.m. Valier and Ziegler around 12:30 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Gorham, Orient, Dowell, North City, Buckner, Bush, St. John's, Vergennes, and Freeman Spurs. This includes Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile marker 64 and 65. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. Saturday for the following counties: